Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting tutorial for you. We are going to learn how to create a PowerPoint presentation using ChatGPT and Python. Can you believe I have made this presentation in just 5 minutes or maybe less than that? The method I am going to show you is a game changer for anyone who wants to save time and create professional slide effortlessly. So let's dive in. So first thing, you'll need a Python installed on the PC. If you don't have Python installed, below is the link and download any version you want higher than 2.7. You can download latest version as well. Next still you will need a Python library which is python-pptx. So let's search python-pptx. Go to the first link which says python-pptx. Copy this, open command prompt, copy and paste. Hit enter. After hitting enter, it will install the library. You can see library successfully installed. After both the libraries are installed, which is Python and PPTX library for Python. Now let's go to ChatGPT and search any topic for which we have to make a presentation on. So here I'm searching for AI. So write a prompt like I'm writing. So you can search like what I'm searching. Write any prompt you want to, click enter. It is generating the content, guys. As you can see, it is giving us all the information. ChatGPT has created a slide and information for us on the given topic we want in details. So let's write for detailing. It is creating the content, guys. Now we can see it is giving us in more brief. This is what we want. I'll pause the video and come back when this gets finished. As you can see, guys, ChatGPT has provided us detailed information about the topic AI, which is sufficient for any PowerPoint presentation. You can see. So the next task of us is to command ChatGPT to write a Python code so that we will be able to use that code in Python and make automatic slides from that. Now we'll write the prompt which will give us the Python code for above PowerPoint slides. You can see, guys, it is making Python code for PowerPoint slides. I'll pause the video till it gets finished. As you can see, guys, ChatGPT has provided us with a detailed information of the slides we wanted and the code. Just copy this code and open any ID you want to open. I'm using Visual Studio Code. You can use any you want. File, new file, name the file like demo chatgpt.py. Give a path, create file. Now you can see file is created. Just go to the ChatGPT and copy the code and paste it. You can see I have pasted the code. Now let's run this code and see what happens. As you can see, code is successfully worked. I've got no error here. Let's now search the file where it got saved. I'll search. So here is the file, guys. I'll cut and paste on desktop. Let's open it. You can see, guys, ChatGPT has provided the code of Python and we have just run the code and we got the result. Now you just have to retouch a little bit to make it more beautiful, like make a font 20. I'll make font 20 for each slide. Now let's give it some design. I'll choose this one. You can adjust the font. You can adjust the way you want. You can remove things you don't want. So basically, you can adjust according to you. How do you want font color, design, and everything. So if you start preparing this slide by manually, it would take around 1 or 2 hours. We have just made this PowerPoint presentation in just a 5 minutes. You can also play around with the ChatGPT and ask whatever you want, like to make it more beautiful, add more slides, more information to it. Just don't forget to copy the new code and replace with existing ones, so you'll get the result. And that's it. We have successfully created a professional PowerPoint presentation using Python with a little help from ChatGPT. This process shows how powerful and versatile Python can be, especially when combined with AI tools like ChatGPT. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.